Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Boxer YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn about relationship queries in Salesforce Object Query Language. We use relationship queries in SOQL, allows us to query related records from the Salesforce objects. They allows us to fetch data from both parent to child and child to parent relationships within a single query. Using one single SOQL query, we can fetch related child objects data and related parent object data with that single SOQL query. We have two types of relationship queries: parent to child relationship query, it is also called as inner query, and child to parent relationship query, it is also called as outer query. Our main focus is on this video on parent to child relationship query. It is used to fetch child records associated with a parent object. For example, fetch all contacts related to an account. So this is a syntax for it. Select name from account. This is a normal syntax. And after the account field list, we will enter the comma, and in the brackets, write the child object SOQL query. Okay, uh, like a normal SOQL query. Okay, select and the field list from the object name. But here, uh, in a subquery, you have to write the uh, child relationship name. Okay, I will show you how to get the child relationship name from the object. Okay, coming to the limitation, you can include up to 20 parent to child relationships in a single query. Means like here we have one subquery on the contacts object, and account is also parent object to the opportunity. You can also include here, you can put a comma and include the subquery of opportunity object. Like that, you can write sub in subqueries up to 20. And in a child to parent relationship, you can navigate through no more than 5 levels. For instance, contact dot account dot owner dot first name, this represents the 3 levels, but we can get the data up to 5 levels. Okay, subqueries in SOQL can only be nested, only one level deep, meaning you cannot place a query inside another query. Here, this is a child inner query for this parent query, right? Here in a subquery, you cannot include another subquery. Okay, you will get an error if you include a subquery in a subquery. Okay, only one subquery. Uh, Here, the it won't accept inner subquery in a subquery. Okay, aggregate functions such as count and average cannot be used directly within a parent to child subquery. Okay, here, inside of the subquery, you cannot use uh, aggregate function. These are the some limitations. There are more limitations also there. I can give you the reference link in the YouTube description. You can see it. Okay, so I will open Salesforce inspector tool to write SOQL queries and fetch the data from the object. So this is a sample SOQL query, getting a data from a single object. Here, if you include the related object query or related object query fields, uh, means it will become a relationship query. Okay, after the field list from this account object, okay, enter the comma, and here uh, uh, place the brackets. Okay, inside the brackets, you need to write a inner query of an object related to this parent object. Okay, it must be the child object to this parent object. Okay, here I select id. I'm writing a simple SOQL query on the contact object. Contact name from contact. If I execute this, we will get an error, because here we need to write the child relationship name, not the exact object name. Okay, how we can get these child relationship name? Okay, here we are writing inner query on contact object, right? You need to go to the object manager. Okay, click on this object manager tab, search for the contact object, click on the contact object, click on these fields and relationships. Here if you see, this is a lookup field related to the account object. Click on this account name to see the field relation child relationship name. If you see, there is a field called child relationship name. Okay, this is a relationship name that you have to include in the child inner query. Okay, replace this name with in the query context. Okay, and also I will include email. Now I will do run export. See, we got the data, right? For each account, uh, you can see that for each account, this account is having one contact, and this global media is having three contacts. Okay, like that you can see some of the account records are also not having child related data. That's why we are able to see the here empty data. And for each contact, we can able to see the data, right? See contact's name, right? Contact email. This is a one, two, uh, and whatever subquery we will write in a main query, it is a read-only data that you cannot update this data by performing DML operation through Apex class. And also you can include another child query. Okay, just enter comma and in the brackets write another SOQL query on the child object related to the account object. Here I will write id comma name from opportunity. Here this is a original object API name I have used, but here we need to use the actual child relationship name. Okay, here I will replace contact with opportunity to go into opportunity object. See, uh, or else click on this fields and relationships, click on the account lookup field. Here you can see that the value of the child relationship name is opportunities. Okay, replace opportunity with opportunities. If I execute this SOQL query, we can able to get in a single query we got the child related for each account we got the multiple multiple child record data, and also we got multiple opportunities object data also, right? With a single SOQL query. See, we got three opportunities for this account, right? And also you can include filter conditions, like you can use a where clause, where email not equal to null, and also you can use stage name, where stage name equals to prospect. You can include the filter condition in subqueries also. Okay, like this you can write up to 20 queries. Okay, like this up to you can write 20 queries, but the same SOQL query, the same subquery cannot be added. Okay, you will get this error. But the other child object query you can write it in the in the parent query. Okay, and here the aggregate functions will not work. I will show you. The count is an aggregate function. See, only root queries support aggregate expressions. Only root element, the main query only the main query will support these aggregate functions. Okay, the child query will not allows us to write the aggregate functions. And yeah, here inside of inside of this subquery, you cannot include inner subquery. Okay, it won't accept. Again, you will get an error. Okay, uh, inner subquery, you cannot include inner subquery. Okay, and, and the data, like we can for this limitation, like we can able to access uh, the file level. I have told you, right, in a child relationship, in a child to parent. Yeah, it is about child to parent, right? Yeah, I will discuss this in uh, that limitation in other video. Okay, this is not related to the parent to child relationship. And here you can write where clauses, where industry not equal to null. We got the 120 records where the industry is having a value in it. Okay, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more videos on the Salesforce learnings, please do like this video and please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Uh, Thank you everyone. Please do support me. Bye.